Check out the video description for details. It's Friday, August 18th, and yesterday we weren't able to post a video because of technical difficulties, so today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to post two quick videos. In this one, I'm going to discuss some news that I was going to talk about yesterday, and then I am going to give my projected trade for today. Three stocks that I'm looking at, and then the follow-up video at the end of the trading day will show if I was right or not. Don't do these trades. Don't follow these trades. I am completely winging this on the fly, looking at the charts to see. A lot of people wanted to see trade entry points and exit points, so we're going to test them out today to see out of the three which ones I hit. So we'll get to that in a second. First, let's talk about some quick news. One of the we like to follow independent games, and GameStop is the stock that we like for that, for Frozen Byte and some of the other games that they publish. If they hit a winner, could be a lot of money for them. And one of the ones that we like is Nine Parchments. They are going to be doing more updates on that. It looks really cool, like an old Gauntlet game. So more news of that coming out. Looks interesting. Could be the hit finally for GameStop's publishing wing. We'll see, though. Now, we talked about recently about Apple investing $1 billion into content for their show, and I like the idea of that because I like the strategy of people like AT&T getting their content. Everyone wants content, original content, to put out there with their device. And I got thinking, probably the best play in this is actually WWE with their network. They have control of it. I've always liked this as an alternate play to Netflix, and they have all their programming out there. One thing, they make movies as well and original programming, so they could easily get in there. Now, the problem with WWE in this aspect is they don't have the $1 billion to drop in on original programming. Their free cash flow is about $85 million. Scroll down here so you can see it. About $85 million free cash flow. They got $200 million in cash and about that in debt. So they're good paying the dividend, but I don't know if they've got the money for to support for the type of program they have. Now, it doesn't take a lot for original programming. It's not going to take $1 billion. All they have to have is a good cult following programs. I mean, look at the stuff from Troma to make hits. So we like it. It's extremely cheap when you look at that for stock. This weekend, should be getting some info on Xbox One X pre-order date. So hopefully a lot of news comes over with that. I'll put a link to the article in the description of the video talking about that. And Splatoon 2 bundles are over at Walmart. Love the idea of getting unique exclusive bundles at different stores to help boost them up. Walmart's a pretty decent stock. We'll have to look at that in more detail. But Splatoon 2 bundles coming up over there. Best place to get your bundles right now is still GameStop, in my opinion. They're the ones who regularly have them up. Even more so than Walmart or Amazon. And I'm not just saying that because I own the stock. It seems to be the easiest way to get it. So, all right, on to today's business. I'm running a little bit long here. I wanted to get these trades in, so we're gonna watch these three. WWE, and I didn't even make a graphic for the entry point, but WWE, I've got it written down. The entry point is around $20.71 and get out around $20.90. It should bounce to sometime after lunch. GameStop $21.05, get out at $21.15. Each of these make a quick dime or so and then bail out. Again, should be somewhere after lunch. AT&T is potentially the most lucrative. $37.25 is the entry point and $37.50 is the exit point. GameStop, we were talking about getting up to 22 around earnings date, which is next week. Don't usually want to mess around this. Stocks are pretty much trading down today on a Friday. Normally, I would not be trading on a day like this. A Friday, stocks are down. This is the day you just take off. But I want to just throw these out there. We'll see in the follow-up video this afternoon. Did these three stocks hit it? We'll see. So we'll do a follow-up then and talk about any other news stories that pop up. So look for that then. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the afternoon video. See if I was right. Certainly don't go buying on this numbers yet. We're still working on our parameters for the swing trading. It's been a long time since I've done it, so we'll see how it goes. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave us some comments, feedback. Subscribe if you haven't already to get the latest investing news for gamers. And we'll see you in a few hours.